Okay, so let's get back on here and take a look and see what we got. It's what is it? Friday morning, 11 o'clock in the morning. Friday morning, 11 o'clock in the morning. We're looking at Dogecoin. We're looking at Dogecoin at 16.9, 16.8. It just did a little run up here. You can see where it did a. These indicators is the alligator indicators, the buy and sell signals. So right here would have been a buy, short-term little buy. It ran up, and you can see where the green line crossed over and turned down. It would have been a short-term sell, and you could be out right now, holding it, waiting for the next buy to increase coins. So that's Dogecoin here, ran up to 17 cents, and we're doing a little pullback here. Bitcoin, it followed Bitcoin, did the same thing. Bitcoin, I watched it come, it light up a little bit ago, 9:40 in the morning, 9:45 to 10:15. This is the run up we had, and the run up we had to here, and then now it's the green buy line went flat, turned down, would have been a sell, and now it's in a holding pattern, a hold. Bitcoin's in a hold, and if you look, Dogecoin is basically doing the same thing in a hold to see what's next. So the scalp would have been to buy in through here, sell here, and be out. You could do a partial right here. Could have been a partial out, $500, couple $100 out, holding it, and if it pulls back, you buy. If it turns around, runs up, well, same thing. Either way, you're down from the top, and you're going to make more money, more coins. So that's a Dogecoin. Let's take a look at Zillow. Zillow is now turning around. Zillow just bottomed out. If you see the indicator here, the buy, short-term buy at 60. And at 60, so it's a short-term buy for Zillow. I've been waiting for a bounce on Zillow. I've bought it a little bit higher here. I bought it at, let's go back. Oh, let's see. I bought it. Where's this? Where is the chart? Okay, I bought in through here, 65. So I needed to get back up to 65 to. It's close. Where to go? Zillow, 60. Not that close. But anyhow, I bought a little bit at yeah, there's 65 right here. So I mean, it definitely has pulled back. So that's Zillow. I don't have two of them, so that's fine. The other ones that I looked at that were good. OPEM. SKLZ. PLTR. And we pulled back nice little buys. Kroger. What do we want? Kroger. But let's go to the 5-minute, 10-minute. And back to Zillow just to see what Zillow is on the. Let's go to the 3-minute, 2-minute. 1 minute. Okay, then let's look at the oils. BP. BP's at 27. Ooh, a little bounce there. KMI, Kinder Morgan, 16. ERX, 30. Short-term buy. PayPal. So it gives me a short-term bottom, 187. Square, SQ. Short-term bottom, 180. Redfin. Still down at 40. Zoom. Finally made a short-term bottom. Cube, UBE. This is a storage units. Cube, PSA, the storage centers. That's PSA. Where we go? Public storage. Public storage. EXR. EXR was my top pick that I really like this company, and it's doing fine, doing a nice little bounce there. PLD, Pro Logistics, it's on the uptrend. And NSA, pull back. Let's look at the FedEx since it's December. Let's look at what is it? UPS 208. Amazon did that big pullback. Wow, that's it. They had that glitch. They had a glitch a couple of days ago, and they pulled back from 35 to 34, a good 100 points. Haven't heard much about that. I don't know if they're back on track or what, but they're down to 3,400. So look at the retail target, 237. Solo, electric car company. Well, that ain't it. Maybe it is. Expa. $180. Let's go back to back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pulling back. Bitcoin's on would have been a sell here. Green line sell, so we're still on the sell. The sell at this point. Hold or sell out. Dogecoin, same thing. Would have been a sell here. And pull back, and we're on a hold or a sell right now. Yes, lighting up a little bit here. Trying to recover. So we're watching Dogecoin on the Webull charts, and Dogecoin is at 16.8. Nice little pullback. Sell here, hold it, get back in at this point. Get back in somewhere in here, hopefully. Let's look up on this chart. Let's look at Zillow on FinViz. Yeah, let's look at ANZN on this one. There's your Amazon pulled back. Let's look at open on this one. Yeah. Oh wow. Bitcoin's still selling off. Bitcoin's pulling back. Let's look at what we want to look at is the SPY. And then look at this and see if they compare. Bitcoin's pulling back right here. And the S&P 500. Not exactly. Hasn't done the same thing. Trying to see if there's a correlation between Bitcoin pulling back and the stocks pulling back. There you go. There you go. So Bitcoin pulling back, SPY pulling back. Look at that. There you go. That's live right here, right now at 11 o'clock on Friday morning, market live. So that's interesting. You can watch Bitcoin pull back, S&P pull back, and Dogecoin pull back. So they kind of run together, looks like. Looks like they're running together. Bitcoin doing its pullback. Dogecoin doing its pullback. Sell right here and buy at a later time. S&P 500, Bitcoin, S&P 500, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. So anyhow, just watching this market, see if I can make some sense of it. Bitcoin trying to stabilize here. S&P 500, not yet. Dogecoin, not yet. Two-minute, 5-minute, 30-minute on Dogecoin. 5, 3, 2, 1 minute. Definitely a good short-term pullback though. That's a time to buy it right here. Okay, well, Expo. Let's go with Zillow maybe. There's Zillow. Zillow. Oh, Zillow in the 1 minute is pulling back, so they ran up to almost 61, 60, no, 87 cents, and that's a little pullback. So we can't get a bounce out of Zillow. Did bounce. We got somewhat of a bounce here the other day. Broke down to 60, so it pulled back again. Can't seem to get it to move higher here. I bought it right in through here at 64, 65. Been waiting on it, waiting. Showed a little life here, and now it's doing a pullback again. Boy. Okay, well, let's leave it at that. There's Bitcoin pulling back, Dogecoin pulling back, and Zillow pulling back, so nothing going on today.